How to hide comments on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide comments on Facebook from public. Now to do so, first what you want to do is open up the Facebook app, and here head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and if you scroll down you'll be able to see all your posts and the comments made below it. Now what you want to do is simply head into the comments, and you can see a comment here on my post. What you want to do is to hide the comment, tap and hold down the comment, and you'll get an option to report comment, to reply, to copy, to delete, and there above delete you can see the option to hide comment. Now if you want to delete comment, you can simply tap on delete comment and delete it. However, if you just want to hide the comment, what you want to do is simply tap on hide comment and it'll be hidden, so you can see that the comment has been hidden, and this way you can hide comments on Facebook from public. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.